To use a Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats. You may be wondering if it's possible to redeem it and have your order delivered. First, open the Uber Eats app and search for Starbucks in your area. However, you won't find an option to redeem your gift card. To explore alternative options, go to the account page by clicking the account icon at the bottom right. Then tap the wallet icon at the top center of the screen. Here, you'll find the option to add funds to your Uber Eats credit, including the option to add gift cards. Unfortunately, attempting to input a Starbucks gift card code will result in an error message, as Uber Eats only allows its own gift cards. As a result, Starbucks gift cards can only be used within the Starbucks app and cannot be redeemed through Uber Eats, even if the items were purchased from an official Starbucks register.